Darren Eubanks, District Sales Manager for the state of South Carolina. I cover Augusta, Georgia, and Savannah, Georgia. I've been here a little over 2.5 years. What do I enjoy about the job and the work that I do? My favorite part is because I'm a district selling manager, I still get to sell. So I've got a 21-year background in outside sales. I've had opportunities to do managerial positions before. I didn't take them because I didn't want to be out of the field. I'm still in the field 4, sometimes 5 days a week, so that's the best part. Is there anything that inspires the work that I do? Yeah, my family, my children, my kids. As we were sitting here, my phone's gone off 3 times for videos because I missed a basketball game today. So yeah, I mean, I work for them. That's obviously what I do. I'm from Columbia, South Carolina. All of my free time is spent in one of 2 places. It's either at a kid's event or in my boat. I mean, that's what I do. I work so that I can have a boat. Do a lot of offshore fishing. So that's where we are. It's just the worst time of the year because it's too cold to do that, even there. So yeah, that's what I do. Thanks for spending some time getting to know me. Again, Darren Eubanks, if you have any questions, reach out to me.